Come test drive the 2020 M2. The BMW M2 Performance Coupe continues to wow drivers with its driving experience. In addition, the latest technology features are in abundance, which includes the latest upgrade in the infotainment system, and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 300 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, power brakes, ambient lighting, voice activated navigation system. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.